Top 5 Best Folding Shopping Cart. Number 5. Qladuo Large Folding Shopping Cart. Qladuo cart stands out for its high load capacity of up to 280 pounds, supported by a robust 2.1 mm metal frame. The basket's dimensions, 19 by 14 by 36 inches, offer plenty of space for groceries, sporting equipment, and gardening tools. Its dense grid bottom adds stability and keeps smaller items, like keys or wallets, safe without risking them falling through. The Qladuo is particularly suited for users who need a versatile cart for different types of terrain. The 360 degrees rotating front wheels ensure smooth movement on sidewalks, streets, and rougher surfaces alike. Assembly is simple and takes less than a minute. Just pop the wheels into place, and you're ready to roll. When folded, it compresses to a slim 8 by 42 inches, making it easy to store even in narrow spaces. This cart's generous capacity and durability make it perfect for more demanding tasks, and a warranty offers extra peace of mind for buyers. Whether you're stocking up on groceries, carrying sports equipment, or moving household items, the Qladuo provides both the strength and the space needed for heavier loads. Coming in number 4. Zogala Folding Shopping Cart for Groceries. Zogala Folding Shopping Cart is popular among users for its ease of assembly and sturdy build. It's designed for tall users, with a handlebar at an ideal height for people around 6 feet 2 inches, which means no bending down while pushing the cart. It includes swivel front wheels that help navigate tight spaces, which is a big plus for city dwellers who use public transport and need to move through crowded areas. The Zogala's back basket is a thoughtful addition, providing a perfect spot to stash reusable grocery bags. With its durable, thick-gauge metal frame, this cart offers long-lasting resilience. The primary compartment is spacious enough to carry large items, like laundry, groceries, and other daily essentials. The folding capability allows it to fit in tight spaces, such as between a fridge and wall. This cart's versatility also makes it great for unconventional uses. Some have even adapted it to carry housekeeping supplies or larger items like water packs. A built-in bungee cord secures items on the cart, making it one of the most adaptable carts on the list. Coming in number 3. Supenice Grocery Utility Shopping Cart. Supenice's utility shopping cart is designed with convenience and ease in mind, featuring larger-than-average wheels for smoother movement over different surfaces, including bumpy sidewalks or grassy areas. Assembly is straightforward, requiring no tools. Simply install the wheels with a quick press of a button, and you're ready to go. For storage, the Supenice folds down even smaller when the wheels are removed, making it highly space-efficient. The cart is built to carry up to 66 pounds, making it ideal for smaller shopping trips or carrying items around your home or yard. For comfort, the handlebar is coated with a foam grip, making it soft to hold and helping to prevent slipping if your hands are sweaty. While it may not be the biggest cart on the list, its robust design, lightweight frame, and convenience make it perfect for users who need a manageable, portable cart for everyday tasks. Coming in number 2. Timber Ridge Outdoor Collapsible Wagon Utility Folding Cart. Timber Ridge's outdoor folding wagon is robust, with a carrying capacity of up to 225 pounds on flat ground. For the beach, a suggested limit of 150 pounds prevents it from sinking into the sand. At 35.5 by 18.5 by 12 inches, its interior is roomy enough for groceries, beach toys, or garden supplies. Unlike some other models, this wagon features extra storage options, including a side pocket and 2 cup holders, adding convenience for keeping small items handy. Built for rugged environments, the wagon's large 7.5 by 3.4 inches wheels make it adaptable to different terrains, while 360 degrees rotating front wheels improve its maneuverability. When it's time to pack it away, this cart folds down to a compact size, 16.5 by 8.625 by 30 inches, so it's easy to stow in your car or garage. The no-assembly setup means you can open it in seconds, making it great for those on the go. Plus, Timber Ridge offers a 1-year warranty, so you can purchase with confidence knowing you're covered for any potential issues. Coming in number 1. Hikenture Collapsible Wagon 330 pounds capacity. Hikenture Collapsible Wagon is a game-changer in terms of storage and transport. With a massive 36.2 by 21.7 by 15 inches storage area, it holds considerably more than a standard utility wagon, making it perfect for groceries, camping gear, or even laundry. Its compact folding design down to just 9 by 11.4 by 24.4 inches means it won't take up much space in storage and can easily fit into a car trunk or closet. The wagon boasts a sturdy steel frame, allowing for an impressive load capacity of up to 330 pounds. The Oxford fabric, which resists tears, can be removed for cleaning, and comes with a dust cover to keep it clean when stored. For movement, the Hikenture Wagon features all-terrain wheels that perform well on different surfaces, aided by 360 degrees front wheels and a flexible telescoping handle for easy maneuvering. Whether you're hauling goods across sand or gravel, the Hikenture Wagon rolls smoothly, and its stability makes it reliable for heavy-duty tasks.